Losing weight and toning your stomach is a common goal for many people. It's an area that can be frustrating to deal with and also an area that can signal more serious health problems. A high percentage of body fat around your stomach may signify increased visceral fat or dangerous type of fat found in and around your abdomen organs. So today we will show you 7 most effective cardio workouts that will help you lose belly fat at home. Number 1. Running. If you're trying to lose weight, you might wonder whether running is the solution. Many people start running to slim down. You can expect to burn calories and excess fat with a smart running program. Running is one of the best fat-burning exercises. Plus, the only equipment you need is a good pair of shoes. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers is an explosive bodyweight exercise which engages multiple muscle groups at once, helping to improve your balance, agility, coordination, strength, flexibility, and blood circulation. To do this exercise, get into a high plank position with the hands placed directly under your shoulder and your toes tucked in. Your back should be in a straight line. Now bend your right knee, bring it near your chest, pause, and take it back to its original position. Repeat the same with your left leg. It should look like you are running on your hands and knees. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg daily. Number 3. Cross crunches. Cross crunches is a fantastic beginner ab exercise that works more on your abdominal muscles. This exercise helps to strengthen the core and sculpts the waist. Start this exercise by lying on your back on the ground, bending your knees and keeping your feet on the floor. Now place your hands behind your head and keep your elbows flared to the side. Begin the motion by lifting your shoulder blades off the floor and reach your right hand towards the outside of your left ankle. Now focus on exhaling as you curl to maximize your abdominal contraction. Return to your starting position. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Number 4. Plank jacks. The plank is a great exercise for your core. This exercise helps burn your fat and works wonders for your core area. While we all have tried the traditional plank, now it's time to do some plank jacks to lose that stubborn belly fat. To perform this exercise, lie down on your stomach. Now place the palms on the mat, lift your body upwards such that your arms are straight and aligned to your body. Now stay in the plank position and make sure your body is in a straight line. Now spread your legs apart and bring them together. Do as many repetitions as you can. Number 5. Jumping jacks. Jumping jack is one of the best ways to cut down that stubborn belly fat. Begin this exercise by standing with the legs straight and your arms to your sides. Then jump up and spread your feet beyond hip width apart while bringing your arms above your head, nearly touching. Jump again, lowering your arms and bringing your legs together. Then return to your starting position. Repeat this exercise 15 times daily. Number 6. Walking. Walking is a very simple cardio exercise that helps you lose belly fat and stay fit. Walking along with a balanced diet can do wonders if you're trying to shed off that extra kilos. A brisk walk for even 30 minutes in the fresh air can help reduce fat around the belly. In addition, it also has a positive effect on your metabolism and heart rate. Even running is beneficial for fat burning. All the more, you do not need any equipment for this exercise. It also helps in shedding fat from other areas of the body. Number 7. Cycling. Cycling is the best exercise to make your legs stretch and add few inches to your body. When you pedal the cycle, your legs go through a rigorous workout, stretching and movement. This increases blood flow to your muscles, making them more flexible for growth. Just get onto your bicycle and place your feet on the pedals. Apply pressure and start pedaling clockwise. Try to do 30 to 45 minutes of cycling daily to increase your height fast. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these workouts from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.